Here's how to build a toggle radio checkbox. Draw a new Figma frame or use an existing one. This will be your main screen. Set the background color and add some images. Create 6 components in 3 pairs. You'll need a pair for toggle, for radio box, and for checkbox. It's essential that this component has at least one text node. From the top bar, select Plugins Figma2Flutter. But note that in this video, the path is Plugins Development Figma2Flutter because I'm recording with a beta version of plugins. When you create a real project, you'll use the shorter path. Select the first pair of your newly created components, and from the plugin menu, press the Combine Selected Components as States button. Next, select Toggle from the drop-down menu. From States Properties, select the suitable states for your components. For instance, the On-State Toggle component will become On from the drop-down menu. Select the second pair of components, and from the plugin menu, press the Combine Selected Components as States button. Choose Radio Box from the drop-down menu. From States Properties, select the suitable states for these components. For instance, the On Radio Box component will become active in the drop-down menu. Select the third pair of components, and again, from the plugin menu, press the Combine Selected Components as States button. Now, from the drop-down menu, select Checkbox. From States Properties, select the suitable states for these components. Create an instance of your components and put it inside your Screen 1 frame. If you like that your default displayed state is off inactive, put off inactive state instances into the screen. Otherwise, put on active states into the Screen 1 frame. Make sure your Screen 1 frame is annotated as Screen from the plugin menu. Next, from the plugin menu, press the blue Export as Flutter Project button. Your web browser should automatically open with the Figma tab. Press the Allow Access button to let the plugin generate code. Download the generated code. This is not necessary if you're just making changes in an existing project. Open and download a project named Archive in your Flutter environment. I used Visual Studio Code for this tutorial. In the Flutter console, run the flutter pub-get command to download all dependencies required to run the project. But note that you only need to use this command once when running your project for the first time. If you're editing an existing project, just run the flutter packages upgrade command. Wait until the dependencies are updated. Run the flutter run command to start your project. Your project will soon appear. The open code should look exactly like your Figma design. Play with the toggle switch, radio, and checkbox to see how they work.